Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make music sound muffled on Capcut mobile. Alright guys, here I have already created a project on my Capcut, and as you can see that here I have imported my music to this Capcut project. And if you want to make this music muffled, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on this music or this audio like this, and you can tap on the audio again or on the music until this option appear on your screen. Then you're going to click on the voice changer, and to make the music sound muffled we can use the voice folders. Then I'm going to show you what kind of voice folders that we can use to make our audio or our music sound muffled. We can try the lo-fi folder, megaphone, or final, and I'm going to show you one by one. The first one is megaphone. Okay, this is for the megaphone effect. Then for the lo-fi effect, and for the final. Okay, and I think the lo-fi filter or lo-fi effect is better, so I'm going to select lo-fi. Then after we're done, we just need to click on this checkmark button. Alright guys, and that's how we can make music sound muffled on Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.